Hello everybody, dear students. In this video I am going to teach chemical reactions of carboxylic acid. It involved in 5 different types of chemical reaction. One is reactions due to bond break in between oxygen and hydrogen. This is what carboxylic acid. One is reactions due to bond break in between oxygen and hydrogen. Second one, reactions due to bond break in between carbon and oxygen. Third one, overall COOH group is involved in chemical reaction. Fourth one, alkyl group, reactions due to alkyl group. Fifth one, electrophilic substitution reaction. So it involved in 5 different types of chemical reaction. In this video I am going to teach reactions due to COOH group. Remaining reactions already I taught in previous video. Reactions due to bond break in between carbon and oxygen already I taught in previous video. In this video I am going to teach reactions due to overall COOH group, and then reactions due to alkyl group, then third one electrophilic substitution reaction. These 3 reactions only I am going to teach to you. So first one is reactions due to overall COOH group. Reactions due to COOH group. COOH group. In this topic I am going to teach 2 reactions. One is reduction. Second one is decarboxylation. In reduction reaction, in decarboxylation reaction, overall COOH group is involved in a chemical reaction. Okay. Now I am going to do reduction process in carboxylic acid by using strong reducing agent. I am going to do reduction process in carboxylic acid by using strong reducing agent. Lithium aluminum hydride is a strong reducing agent. So when we add lithium aluminum hydride in carboxylic acid, it becomes a primary alcohol. In this reaction, that overall COOH group is involved in chemical reaction. Reactions due to COOH group. In this chemical reaction, that overall COOH group is involved in chemical reaction. For example, reduction and decarboxylation. First I am going to teach reduction. I am going to take one carboxylic acid, for example acetic acid. Reducing agent lithium aluminum hydride LiAlH4. It is a strong reducing agent. In first step, aldehyde is converted into carboxylic acid is converted into aldehyde. Again it involved in reduction process, so that aldehyde is converted into primary alcohol. It is a reducing agent, so it gives hydrogen to the reactant. Reducing agent gives hydrogen to HW, right? H bond H. So one hydrogen takes one pair of electron, H minus H plus. Compare carbon and hydroxyl group. Hydroxyl group electronegativity is greater than carbon. So hydroxyl group takes one pair of electrons. So bond break in between carbon and hydroxyl group. OH minus H plus 1 mole of water is removed. What's the charge of carbonyl carbon? C plus H minus. So bond formation CH3 C double bond O H. This is lithium aluminum hydride. This lithium aluminum hydride is a strong reducing agent. So again this aldehyde is involved in a reduction process. Lithium aluminum hydride. When we add catalytic reducing agent, how many steps involved? Just a single step only involved. So this carboxylic acid is converted into aldehyde. Again aldehyde is not involved in reduction process because catalytic reducing agents are mild reducing agent. Moderate reducing agent, hydrogen bar platinum, hydrogen bar palladium, nickel bar hydrogen. These are all moderate reducing agents, just only one step involved. But lithium aluminum hydride is a strong reducing agent, so 2 steps involved. So first step it becomes aldehyde. Again this aldehyde is involved in reduction process. Lithium aluminum hydride, it gives 2 hydrogen to the reactant. H bond H. One is H minus, 2H we can write like this. H bond H, one is H minus, another one is H plus. Compare carbon and oxygen. Which one is more electronegative? Oxygen. So oxygen takes one pair of electron. Double bond becomes a single bond. Double bond becomes single bond. O minus C plus. Okay. You can get CH3 C O minus H plus OH C plus H minus. You can get alcohol. In this reaction, that overall COOH group is involved in chemical reaction. Here this OH part is involved in this chemical reaction. Here C double bond O part is involved in chemical reaction. In first step, this OH bond break in between carbon and oxygen. In second step, bond break in between carbonyl carbon and oxygen. So that overall COOH group is involved in chemical reaction. Okay, reactions due to COOH group. First one is reduction. Second one is decarboxylation. What do you mean by decarboxylation? Removal of carbon dioxide is called as decarboxylation. Removal of carbon dioxide from a carboxyl group is called as decarboxylation. This is also example for reactions due to COOH group. Decarboxylation. It is also called as Kolb's electrolysis. Decarboxylation. What do you mean by decarboxylation? Removal of carbon dioxide. I am going to take sodium salts of carboxylic acid, CH3 C double bond O ONA. When carboxylic acid, for example acetic acid, react with sodium hydroxide, first step. You should not take carboxylic acid, you have to take salt only. What will happen? This is acid, so it gives H plus ion. Base, it gives OH minus ion. 1 mole of water is removed. CH3COO minus Na plus. Are you clear? This is what sodium salts of carboxylic acid, sodium acetate. Okay. So when acetic acid react with the sodium hydroxide, you can get sodium acetate. Always in decarboxylation reaction, you have to take salts only. Then I am going to do decarboxylation process. If you want to do decarboxylation process means we have to add soda lime. What do you mean by soda lime? Mixture of sodium hydroxide and calcium oxide is called as soda lime. Its ratio 3:1. Soda lime. What do you mean by soda lime? Mixture of sodium hydroxide and calcium oxide. Its ratio 3:1. Okay. Sodium hydroxide in presence of calcium oxide. This mixture is called as soda lime. Its ratio is 3:1. Okay. When we do decarboxylation process in a salt, this salt becomes a hydrocarbon. This is a step down process in conversion. I will explain it later. Yes, here compare sodium oxide and hydrogen. Compare oxygen and hydrogen. Which one is more electronegative? Oxygen. So oxygen takes one pair of electron, NaO minus H plus. Here alkyl group takes one pair of electron. Here bond break. CH3 minus H plus bond formation. So CH3 minus becomes CH4. Are you clear? You can get hydrocarbon. C double bond O Na. What's the charge of this carbon? Plus NaO minus. So bond formation ONA. How many Na? 2 Na. Na2 C. How many oxygen present? CO3 oxygen. So Na2 CO3. So when we do decarboxylation process in carboxylic acid, you can get hydrocarbon. This is step down process in conversion, because here how many carbon atom present in reactant? 2 carbon atom present, but product contains only 1 carbon atom. If you want to reduce 1 carbon atom in conversion means you can choose this reaction, decarboxylation reaction we can choose, or we can choose Hofmann bromide degradation. It is also step down process. Okay, so decarboxylation and last reaction reduction, both are all example for reactions due to COOH group. Okay, here carboxylic acid is converted into hydrocarbon. Next our topic reactions due to alkyl group. Reactions due to alkyl group. So here alkyl group is involved in chemical reaction. In this topic I am going to teach HVZ reaction. Here Vollard-Zelinsky reaction. Next one, reactions due to alkyl group. Reactions due to alkyl group. In this topic I am going to teach HVZ reaction. What's the expansion of HVZ reaction? Vollard-Zelinsky reaction. Here alkyl group is involved in chemical reaction. COOH group is not involved in chemical reaction. One more condition. What's the important condition of Vollard reaction, HVZ-Zelinsky reaction? If the compound contains alpha carbon and alpha hydrogen, means it undergoes HVZ reaction, otherwise it does not undergoes HVZ reaction. It should contains alpha carbon atom. Okay, for example, I am going to take acetic acid, or you can take propionic acid. I am going to take propionic acid. Already I told you, here this alkyl group is involved in chemical reaction. This COOH group is not involved in chemical reaction. One more condition, it should contains alpha carbon atom and alpha hydrogen atom, because this alpha hydrogen only involved in chemical reaction. Okay, so it's important condition, it should contains alpha carbon and alpha hydrogen. I am going to do halogenation, chlorination, bromination is called as halogenation. I am going to do chlorination. So chlorination means react with chlorine in this is HVZ reagent Cl2. If you want to do chlorination means Cl2 bar red phosphorus we have to add. If you want to do bromination means what's the reagent? Br2 bar red phosphorus we have to add. This Br2 bar red phosphorus gives bromine to the reactant. Here chlorinating reagent, HVZ chlorinating reagent, Cl2 bar red phosphorus. It is a HVZ chlorinating reagent. It gives chlorine to the reactant. Okay, here which one is involved? Alpha hydrogen is involved in chemical reaction. Already I told you its condition. It should contains alpha carbon atom and alpha hydrogen atom. Okay, now chlorine. I will write Cl bond Cl minus. Am I right? Compare carbon and hydrogen. Which one is more electronegative? Carbon. So carbon takes one pair of electron. H plus Cl minus, HCl is removed. What's the charge? Carbon minus. Here Cl plus. C minus Cl plus. This is what HVZ reaction. Okay, any doubt? Here alkyl group is involved in halogenation process. Alkyl group is involved in chemical reaction. This is what reactions due to alkyl group. In this topic I taught HVZ reaction. Next one is electrophilic substitution reaction. You know very well about electrophilic substitution reaction. Nitration, alkylation, Friedel-Crafts alkylation, acylation, halogenation, sulfonation. These are all electrophilic substitution reaction. In our syllabus they are given two reactions only. One is nitration, another one is halogenation. I am going to teach these two reactions only. Electrophilic substitution reaction. First of all, I am going to teach nitration. Aromatic, which one is undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction? Aromatic carboxylic acid. For example, I am going to take benzoic acid. Aromatic compounds only undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction. So I am going to take one aromatic compound, aromatic carboxylic acid. Its name is benzoic acid. If you want to do nitration means we have to add some nitrating reagent. So here I am going to add nitrating reagent. Its nitrating reagent is a mixture of concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid, con HNO3 and con H2SO4. Already you know very well this reaction because so many times I taught this reaction. When concentrated nitric acid react with concentrated sulfuric acid, it produces nitronium ion as well as HSO4 minus ion. You know this reaction. When concentrated nitric acid react with sulfuric acid, it produces nitronium ion as well as HSO4 minus ion. Nitration means what? Addition of nitronium ion. Addition of NO2 plus ion to the reactant is called as nitration. Here COOH group present. This is ortho-para directing group. COOH group is a meta-directing group. COOH group is a meta-directing group. COOH, carboxylic acid group, aldehyde group, nitro group, these are all example for meta-directing group. So here COOH group present, it is a meta-directing group. So chemical reaction takes place in a meta position. I mean incoming group move towards meta position. So I would like to show hydrogen atom in meta position. Each and every carbon contains one hydrogen, but chemical reaction, incoming group move towards meta position. That's why I am going to show hydrogen atom in a meta position. Compare carbon and hydrogen. Which one is more electronegative? Carbon. So carbon takes one pair of electron, bond break. Here this H plus. You know very well. Nitric acid react with sulfuric acid, it produces nitronium ion as well as HSO4 minus ion. This H plus is combined with HSO4 minus ion, it becomes H2SO4. So leave it, you need not write. So here remaining NO2 plus ion only. This carbon atom charge is plus, NO2 carbon atom charge is minus, NO2 plus. So bond formation between phenyl carbon and nitro group. Meta-nitro-benzoic acid. Okay, this is what nitration process. Next, I am going to do halogenation in a benzoic acid. Next, halogenation. Addition of 17th group, addition of chlorine, bromine, fluorine is called as halogenation. Now I am going to do bromination. You know brominating reagent FeBr3 or aqueous bromine, Br2 bar H2O, these are all brominating reagent. Here I am going to add aqueous bromine. It is a brominating reagent, it gives bromine to the reactant. Am I right? Next, this is meta-directing group. COOH group is a meta-directing group. So chemical reaction takes place in meta position. So I would like to show hydrogen atom in meta position. So H plus Br, will write Br minus Br plus. This H plus is combined with Br minus. HBr is removed. Here carbon charge is, phenyl carbon charge is minus. This bromine charge is plus. You can get meta-bromo benzoic acid. This is what electrophilic substitution reaction. In this video I taught 3 reaction. One is electrophilic substitution reaction. Last reaction, reactions due to alkyl group. Here in the carboxylic acid, alkyl group is involved in chemical reaction. In that topic I taught HVZ reaction. And then reactions due to COOH group. Reactions due to COOH group. In that topic I taught 2 reaction. One is a decarboxylation reaction, another one is reduction reaction. So chemical properties of carboxylic acid is over. Okay, thank you everybody.